Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP top projects, and in this particular video, we'll discuss SAP and quantum computing projects. So, as you already know, quantum computing is an emerging technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way business operate by solving complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of traditional computing. So, when combined with SAP, quantum computing can create innovative solutions that can enhance business processes and drive growth. So, here are top 10 SAP and quantum computing projects that can be implemented in real business scenarios. We have also added an article in the description of the video where you can go and read the entire projects and also find the references to these projects. SAP has not yet implemented any quantum computing projects in real business scenarios. So whatever references that we have given is something that other companies are implementing in their own environment and not SAP. But certainly we can take a reference from there and implement in SAP scenarios. The first project in our list is supply chain optimization. So supply chain optimization is one of the priority tasks for any supply chain industry. So there is a lot of flow, right? You can see that there is supplier, then there is transit warehouses, and then there is assembly lines. And in this entire flow, the connections or the operations get very complex. The logistics and routing problems are very much in this industry. So quantum computing can help it can be used to optimize supply chain operations by solving complex logistics and routing problems. The second one in our list is fraud detection. So quantum computing can enhance fraud detection by analyzing large amount of data and identifying patterns that are not visible using traditional computing. Since the quantum computing has third state, it is something beyond 0 and 1, so it has higher capability. So its processing rate is very high. Compared to a supercomputer, also it is quite effective. So it will take less time to identify patterns and ultimately detect fraud. The third one in our list is portfolio optimization. So when I say portfolio, I mean stock marketing portfolio optimization. So if you see, there are a lot of steps, right? Like from you start a blank investment history, and then you start pick holding, you start guesses, okay, with this I have to take in or not, something like this. And based upon your requirements, if it is meeting, then you start buying it, right? And if not, you go back and check for other stocks. So you have portfolio of stocks. So quantum computing can optimize investment portfolios by analyzing large amount of data and identifying optimal investment strategies. So as of now, ChatGPT is doing the same thing, right? So quantum computing can actually take a large amount of data and do analysis very quickly. The later one is customer segmentation. So when we say customer segmentation, so we have different ways. If you can see on the screen, it is demographic way, geographic way, behavioral way. Then value-based optimization is also there. Then we have need-based. Then we have technographic-based, physiographic, and life cycle stage. So if you are going for doing a separation of customers based upon these eight different segments, certainly you will need a lot of processing, right? So quantum computing can be used to analyze customer data and identify customer segments, enabling business to tailor their marketing strategies. So you can target the right audience wherever required with the help of quantum computing. And then we have something called predictive analytics. So as you can see on the screen, we have quantum computing where there is a concept of superposition. But certainly we are not going to discuss the technical part here, but this is something that makes quantum computing better than other computing. So quantum computing can enhance predictive analytics by analyzing large amount of data and identifying patterns and trends that are not visible using traditional computing. So as I said earlier, it has a state more than 0 and more than 1. It is something between that. So that is something that helps for better prediction. Then we have something called risk management. So quantum computing can be used to access risk by analyzing large amount of data. So certainly you might have seen SAP risk solutions, right? Where also we are doing some computing using cloud computing. and we are analyzing the risks. And accordingly, we are sending notification on the UI, sending emails to the right customer that this is the risk and you need to solve that particular risk. So in the end, we need to analyze large amount of data and even identifying potential risk and their likelihood. So this can be easily done using quantum computing. The next is drug discovery. So drug discovery is a long and lengthy process. So if you see the diagram, in the diagram itself, you can see it's a very long process, right? So a lot of solutions are required. So quantum computing can enhance drug discovery by analyzing large amount of data and identifying potential drug candidates. So every drug comes with a pipeline. So it has to go through certain steps where it has to match certain, physicality at molecular level. Things are checked, and accordingly, it is passed to next levels. So these levels can be improved, like the efficiency of these levels can be improved with the help of quantum computing. So we have precision agriculture as our next topic, and the quantum computing can optimize agriculture operations by analyzing large amount of data and providing insights on crop yields and optimal farming practices. So if you see, this is something that is not part of quantum computing, but this is agriculture process where you are with the help of smart devices generating a large amount of data, right? It is called IoT, and then using a gateway, you are transferring this data to cloud, and from there you are doing some AI ML, virtual servers are running, databases are there, big data analytics is going on, and this is all thing that is going into cloud computing. So we can replace the computing part with quantum computing to improve the efficiency of the results. So the next one in our list is climate modeling. So as you already know that we have a lot of things that that is used to identify the climate patterns, and based on that predictions are made regarding the monsoon, right? And since a large amount of data is coming, so quantum computing can enhance climate modeling by analyzing large amount of data and providing insights on climate patterns and potential impacts. And the last one in our list is cybersecurity. This is the best part and this is the most attractive part of quantum computing. So quantum computing can enhance cybersecurity by analyzing large amount of data, right? And it can identify potential threats, and apart from that also it can do a lot of things. So suppose you are like creating certain keys that is going to be used to lock your password, and that key also is something that you're generating on a random basis. So when we say random generation of keys, it means there will be an algorithm which can be used to generate random keys, right? And that algorithm is actually supported by randomness. So actually using the old school algorithms, whatever key we generate, it is hackable. But using the cryptography or cybersecurity with quantum computing, we generate a quantum computing random numbers, and with the help of that, the passwords are very strong. So we have also created a video where we integrated this quantum computing, cryptography, and cybersecurity with SAP UI5. So I will also add the link in the description of the same video. You can go through that video. So I guess that's it. So these were the top 10 projects in SAP that actually SAP can use and develop something around quantum computing. I believe you like the video, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you very much.